In this video, we will be showcasing 10 of the most incredible pieces of tactical military gear and gadgets available on the market. From cutting-edge body armor to essential survival tools, we've got it all covered. Whether you're a military professional, a hunter, or just a gear enthusiast, you won't want to miss out on these must-have items. So let's dive in. This lightweight and durable MPS micro pistol sight is designed to accommodate varied lighting conditions, allowing you to make quick and accurate shots. With 8 manual controlled brightness levels, 2 of which are designed for use with night vision gear, the 3.3 MOA red dot is always visible on your target. The all-metal housing of the MPS is also designed with an overhang that protects the lens from potential damage. The pistol sight is parallax-free from 11 to 164 yards, and has a 1x magnification that allows you to keep both eyes open for a wide field of view. This allows for complete situational awareness when shooting. The Steiner Optics MP3 micro pistol sight is also submersible to 33 feet and is fog-proof, making it an ideal choice for use in any kind of weather. The AGM NVG-40NL2 is a high-quality night vision goggles that features a redundant dual-tube design for incredible reliability and a true stereoscopic vision for an enhanced depth perception. It is designed to be head or helmet mountable, allowing for hands-free operation and ease of use. The goggles are equipped with ergonomic and simple controls, making them easy to operate even in low-light conditions. Additionally, it includes a built-in infrared illuminator and flood lens that provides additional light in complete darkness. This makes it an ideal choice for a variety of outdoor activities such as hunting, camping, and surveillance. The Shadowstrike is a high-performance protective eyewear that is designed to exceed US and world ballistic impact standards. It is used in combat and special ops military missions, providing maximum protection to the user. The eyewear features impact-resistant polycarbonate lens that can withstand even the toughest conditions. The compact and low-profile design with a geometrical wraparound design ensures that it won't slide off, and provide a comfortable and secure fit and total eye protection. The stylish look of the Shadowstrike eyewear makes it a perfect choice for both military and civilian use, who want to stay protected without compromising on style. The eyewear is also designed for comfort. It offers military-grade protection with 100% protection against UVA, B, and C rays, making it ideal for outdoor activities. The Blackhawk Stash IWB is a versatile and durable holster designed for concealed carry. It features an ejection-molded polymer design with a J-style belt clip that is adjustable for height and camp, allowing for a secure and comfortable fit. The holster is ambidextrous, adaptable for right or left-hand carry, and the low-profile shirt guard adds comfort without inhibiting the draw stroke. The Blackhawk Stash IWB is also compatible with most popular handgun-mounted RDS red dot sight optics, as well as an assortment of Stache IWB carry accessories and popular discreet carry concepts gear clips. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone who wants a convenient and versatile holster that can accommodate a variety of handguns and accessories. The M-Tac Softshell Police Jacket is a high-performance jacket designed for law enforcement and other professionals. It is made of an interlayer polyurethane membrane that is waterproof and windproof, keeping the wearer dry and comfortable in any weather. The jacket has a dynamic cut that does not restrict movement, and a hood that can be stowed in the collar and can be adjusted for a snug fit. The jacket also features 2 identification panels and an empty panel that can be used to place a patch or identifier with the owner's data. The jacket also has a system that allows for convenient and quick removal of weapons or other items attached to the belt, which improves reaction time in dangerous situations. It has a low weight and combines an outer layer for wind and weather protection and an insulating inner layer. The surface reflects moisture and dirt, and the material is comfortable to wear. The IcePlate EXO is a revolutionary ultralight ventilated armor plate carrier with cooling, heating, and hydration system for the modern infantry fighter. With a weight of 12.9 ounces, medium size, and multiple attachment mechanisms like mole, Velcro, switch clip, G-hook, it can be easily integrated into existing gear. It's compatible with medium ESAPI armor plates and constructed with durable materials such as the IcePlate EXO laminate, Velcro, nylon 12, and shock cord. The IcePlate EXO keeps the user cool and hydrated, making it an essential component of any modern infantry fighting system. The Horizontal Medical Pouch Elite is a high-quality medical kit from M-Tac that is perfect for providing first aid in the field. It consists of two parts, a bag with an internal organizer for an IFAK, and a base that is attachable to gear for easy carrying. The organizer is made of a durable and wear-resistant Cordura 500D material that keeps its shape perfectly and does not deform when wet, and it features YKK AquaGuard waterproof zipper. The organizer can be quickly removed from the base on both sides, with a zipper with two runners, and it has a thermal transfer design on the front of the first aid kit to indicate its position. The base of the kit is made of laminated Cordura using laser cut technology. The identification of the medical organizer is provided in two colors, red, which is traditional for first aid kit, or black to make the pouch less visible. Introducing the 511 ATAC 2.0, the ultimate boot for military personnel, and for a good reason. The 511 ATAC 2.0 is built with the highest grade of standards of quality and durability, and it's worn by the world's leading public safety professionals. This boot is 8 inches in height and is designed to be both lightweight and comfortable, while maintaining its reputation for toughness and durability. The 511 ATAC 2.0 features a new airflow tongue and full-length dual Durameter Otholite footbed, which works to keep your feet cool, dry, and comfortable all day long. Additionally, the Achilles heel flex zone provides more range of motion without compromising support. The full-grain suede toe, 840D nylon upper, and shock mitigation system provided rugged protection, while the knife pocket keeps an important tool within reach. The boot is designed to meet the demands of the most demanding environments, and it's perfect for any demanding application. The Rothco Tactical Defender duffel bag is a versatile and durable bag for storing and transporting gear. It features multiple compartments, including an expendable gear compartment and waterproof PVC bottom. It has two hidden backpack straps, numerous carry handles, and features a U-shaped main compartment with two zippers for easy access, two zip-up dividers for organization, a front identification pouch, and 6 rows of mole webbing for attaching accessories. With multiple carrying options, this bag is perfect for any adventure. Introducing the Aggressor Gen 2 Flex, the ultimate lightweight tactical pants for men. These pants are designed to handle everything, with double-layer groin fabric for protection, an option for knee pads, and seam reinforcement where applicable. Made with comfort in mind, the Aggressor Gen 2 Flex pants offers more comfort than traditional jeans or dress pants. The pants are treated with Teflon impregnation for water-resistant properties in flex, making them ideal for a variety of activities. These pants are not only perfect for heavy-duty jobs, but they also make great casual wear. The ripstop fabric and cargo pockets make them durable, yet practical pants even in summer. The Aggressor Gen 2 Flex pants are versatile, durable, and comfortable, making them a must-have. So that was our list of 11 incredible military tactical gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.